signal every 22 minutes, like clockwork, from an unknown source deep in the cosmos. What could be causing it? A question that has been echoing through the minds of astronomers and scientists around the globe. This isn't a plot of a science fiction novel, but a reality that we are living in. A signal, a mysterious cosmic radio transmission, has been detected consistently every 22 minutes for over 30 years. It's like a cosmic heartbeat, a rhythm in the vast expanse of space that has left the scientific community scratching their heads. This cosmic phenomenon has defied our understanding of the universe, and its origin remains a mystery. Is it a natural occurrence, a dying star sending out its last breaths, or perhaps it's something more deliberate, a communication from an extraterrestrial source? The possibilities are as boundless as the universe itself. So, what exactly is this signal, and why does it arrive every 22 minutes? Join us on this journey as we dive into the heart of this cosmic mystery. Let's explore the unknown together. Diving deep into the cosmos, we encounter a celestial object named GPM J183910. This isn't your average cosmic entity. For over 3 decades, it has been broadcasting radio waves into the vast expanse of space. And here's the kicker. These emissions occur like clockwork every 22 minutes. GPM J183910 is a cosmic enigma, a pulsating beacon amidst the silent, infinite darkness. Let's dig a bit deeper into its peculiarities. You see, the most likely explanation for this phenomenon is that GPM J183910 is a dying star. Just picture it, a once brilliant sun, now in the twilight of its life, releasing intense energy from its poles. This energy, transformed into radio waves, travels across the cosmos, reaching our little blue planet every 22 minutes. This theory of a dying star is not just a wild guess. It's based on our current understanding of stellar evolution. As stars age, they undergo dramatic changes. Some swell into red giants, others collapse into white dwarfs, and the most massive ones explode into supernovae, leaving behind neutron stars or black holes. These latter remnants, particularly neutron stars, are known to emit pulsating radio waves. So, in theory, GPM J183910 could be one such neutron star nearing its end. But here's where things get even more intriguing. This object, GPM J183910, is spinning too slowly to exist, at least according to our current understanding of stellar physics. Usually, pulsating neutron stars slow down and eventually reach a death line, ceasing their radio wave emissions. But our enigmatic friend out there in the cosmos isn't playing by these rules. Its pulses persist every 22 minutes, like an ethereal metronome ticking away in the vacuum of space. Yet the puzzle remains. This star is spinning too slowly to exist, defying the known laws of stellar physics. As the mystery deepens, so does the intrigue. What could be the possible explanations for this phenomenon? Let's delve into the theories and speculations surrounding this cosmic enigma. The first theory revolves around this peculiar object, GPM J183910, that has been releasing radio waves like clockwork every 22 minutes for over 30 years. Now, the conventional wisdom about pulsating neutron stars, often the source of such signals, is that they slow down over time until they hit a death line. This is a point at which they no longer have enough energy to produce radio signals. But here's where things get interesting. GPM J183910 doesn't abide by these rules. It's like a rebellious teenager, refusing to adhere to the curfew set by the laws of physics. Its pulses are too slow for a regular pulsating neutron star. Yet it's been consistently sending out these signals, defying the very expectation of the death line. This aberration has left scientists scratching their heads, trying to reconcile these observations with their existing knowledge of stellar physics. A second theory, and one that's a tad more dramatic, is the possibility of these signals being an intentional communication from an extraterrestrial source. Yes, you heard it right, aliens. Could this be a beacon from a distant civilization trying to reach out? Or perhaps a cosmic SOS? It's a far-fetched idea, but in the realm of the unknown, nothing is off the table. However, it's worth noting that the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, has yet to confirm any signal as an intentional alien communication. So, while it's a tantalizing thought, it remains in the realm of speculation. But isn't that what makes this all so thrilling? The fact that we are still discovering, still questioning, and still exploring the vast cosmic ocean. While these theories provide some answers, they also raise more questions. The enigma of the 22-minute signal continues. This cosmic conundrum not only baffles us, but also challenges our existing understanding of the universe. The enigmatic signal that we're receiving every 22 minutes seems to be defying the laws of stellar physics as we know them. Its longevity and regularity are causing a stir in the scientific community, shaking the very foundations of our knowledge about neutron stars and magnetas. Neutron stars, the remnants of supernovae, are known to emit beams of radiation from their magnetic poles. They spin rapidly, and as they slow down, they eventually reach a point known as the death line, where their pulses become undetectable. However, the object we've named GPM J1839110 is spinning far too slowly to exist, according to our current understanding. It's like a star that refuses to die, pulsating every 22 minutes for more than 30 years. Magnetars, on the other hand, are a type of neutron star with extremely powerful magnetic fields. They can emit high-energy electromagnetic radiation, like X-rays or radio waves, but the consistent rhythmic nature of this signal doesn't fit the typical erratic behavior of magnetars. So if GPM J1839110 isn't behaving like a typical neutron star or a magnetar, what exactly is it? Scientists around the globe are scratching their heads, trying to reconcile these baffling observations with our existing theories. They're going back to the drawing board, revisiting and revising our models of stellar physics. In doing so, they're not just seeking to solve the mystery of this particular signal, but they're also expanding our overall understanding of the universe. It's a challenge, yes, but it's also an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to explore the great cosmic frontier. The mystery of the 22-minute signal is a reminder of how much we have yet to discover about the universe. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, we continue to encounter mysteries that both baffle and fascinate us. And so, the cosmic clock ticks on, its rhythm marked by the enigmatic signal we've been receiving every 22 minutes. This ceaseless pulse, emanating from a distant star known as GPM J1839110, has been a source of intrigue and speculation amongst astronomers. Over the course of this video, we've explored this peculiar phenomenon in depth. We've looked at how this signal, unerringly punctual, has been emanating from what is believed to be a dying star. Yet its slow spin rate and its defiance of the typical death line of pulsating neutron stars has left scientists scratching their heads, questioning the very framework of our understanding about such celestial bodies. We've pondered over the various theories and speculations surrounding this mystery. Is it a natural occurrence? Or could it be, as some dare to speculate, a form of communication from an extraterrestrial intelligence? The truth remains tantalizingly out of reach, but the quest for answers continues. This 22-minute signal challenges our current knowledge. It's an anomaly, a deviation from what we've come to expect from pulsating neutron stars. It's a testament to the fact that the universe is far more complex and enigmatic than we can comprehend. The more we discover, the more we realize how much there is still to learn. As we gaze towards the stars, we can only wonder what other secrets the universe holds. Until we unravel this mystery, the signal will continue to echo every 22 minutes, a cosmic enigma awaiting its deciphering. So, let's keep our ears to the cosmos and our minds open to the extraordinary possibilities that await us in the vast expanse of space.